How y'all doing? We back, man. We back in the Airbnb, checking out, so getting some updates on the progress with the floors, with the bathrooms.
Oh yeah, whoa. Look, they can never keep me down, I'm going. And if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up.
Today they are finishing up all the bathrooms today. I just want to give you guys a quick walkthrough of what the floors look like, what the bathrooms look like actually finished. So here we go, man. Big shout out to my man Mooney for coming through and really putting his touch with his team on the job. But as you can see, the floors, man, these are 24 by 48 tiles. We got some more wall features we're going to be putting up on the walls here after we get our 42-inch cabinets up. We get an update on this is the trench we built. We had dug in the concrete, right, to be able to run our electrical wires. That's gonna come down behind the wall and up under to furnish our island that we're gonna have here, our oversized island. All right, let's go back in and check out the master bathroom. So here we are, man. He completed the master bathroom. We cut out the shower, rebuilt the stand-up shower, built the shower pan. He done this in about 3 days, but as you can see, we went with our bronze finishes on the shower. You know, we had our built-in compartment there for our soap and other accessories for the shower, but nice. I'm really liking the way it's turning out. We got some more boxes to get as far as the tile goes. So really complete the job, but yeah. Let's see. Like the flow of the tile and the look. Again, you know, it's very important for the colors because of the size of the home. It really, you know, expands the rooms, make the rooms look a whole lot bigger. As you can see, again, bronze finishes for the bathrooms, and we're gonna continue that on back through the kitchen, which I didn't notice. Yep, bronze finishes. So here it is. All right, so we finishing everything off. This is just another quick update. It's the Airbnb, man. We're coming through. So as we get closer to finishing this, we're gonna bring our team back. As we showed you before, we're gonna bring our team back so they can do a walkthrough, so we can show them how it look now after installing the floors. The bathrooms will be complete by then, and we possibly should have our island and countertops back in. We're gonna add some other enhancements on the walls and so forth, stone, some tile going up the wall. We're really gonna have this entry pop. But just stay tuned, man. This is just part of one of our investment properties, and again, being able to give the agents hands-on or in the field experience of what it really looks like doing a renovation, time frame, and how quick things turn over, and then what the end product would look like. All right, so I can be able to answer all the questions. You guys can see that, get the experience as well. But look, this is Cone's premiere in its finest, right? This is one of the first opportunities I've had to be able to do a real renovation job and be able to bring our team in so they can get experience and also be able to ask questions of their own. So now they can feel more comfortable when they're working with their clients. All right, this is Cone's premiere, man, and we are out.